Morning, Phil.
Good morning, Phil.
Nice pajamas.
Nice house, Phil.
Won't you read the paper? I'm selling my house.
Sold in 2024, and now this house is back better than before. The sellers plan to make this their forever home and invested accordingly. But a work relocation had other plans. More value at a lower price. We're talking new HVAC, hot water heater, and roof only 2 years old. Even the saltwater pool has a brand new pool pump. People always say some things are too good to be true, but this is too good and true.